login screen of a vehicle transport app that I've been developing. You see right here in a tab, vehicle transport app. If you notice an odd URL, that's because I hosted this on my local machine. So alright, we're gonna log in right now with a test account, so I really don't, it doesn't matter if you see this. So it's your.email at example. Alright, so now we're at the dashboard. This is the administrative dashboard, and the account that I just logged in with was an administrator account. But what we're looking at right here is the number of clients that we have, the total vehicles that we have, and today's transports. Now we can look and see that we didn't have any transports scheduled. We can look at our fleet, and we can check out the make, the model, the year, the license plate, the VIN number, the mileage on the vehicle. And we can take action. We can edit, we can remove, we can add a new vehicle. We can do the same thing with our clients. We can edit them, we can archive them, we can delete them, we can add new clients. Right here it shows some recent clients. And right here, well, I haven't added the test data yet, so I still need to test that. But we can look at our schedule, and the one thing I want you to notice about the schedules is that there's different types. You know, you have pending, you have assigned, completed, in progress, canceled. We can edit them, we can delete them, we can schedule a new one. Our employees, we have driver 1. Here we go. IDs, they got the same name, but they have different IDs. The ID is what matters, not necessarily the name. And we can take action. So I developed this with the what's called the LAMP stack, which is Linux, Apache, MySQL, and PHP. That's about it, I guess, for this particular little demo, and I hope you're into it. Yeah, have a good evening. Hope you're into it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.